Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Nursery. Dear students, and our today's topic is learning Arabic alphabet Alif to Dal. Dear students, before starting the class, I would like to say that there are 29 letters in Arabic language. But today we will learn only 9 Arabic letters from Alif to Dal. So dear students, let's see the board. Class Nursery, subject Islam, topic learning Arabic alphabet Alif to Dal. Lecture number 1, SW number also will be 1. Term half yearly examination 22. Teachers Mokter Hossain, my mobile number and today's date. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. Learning Arabic alphabet Alif to Dal. Dear students, today you will learn how to pronounce Arabic letters, how to write Arabic letters. So let's start. There are 29 Arabic letters. The first one is Alif. So dear students, this is Alif. The second one is Ba. And the third one is Ta. And the next one is Sa. And the next one is Jim. Now Ha. Now Kha. After that Dal. And the last one is Dal. So dear students, listen to me carefully how to pronounce these letters Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal. Dear students, look carefully. There are some letters which are pronounced very softly and some letters are pronounced very strongly, like Tha, Tha, Zal are pronounced very softly. Ba, Ta, Jim, Dal, these letters are pronounced very strongly. So dear students, I repeat, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal. So my dear students, now SW topic will be write Alif to Dal. So dear students, that's all for today. If you don't understand any topic, you can contact with me. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.